Ano ba ang ginawa ninyo? Most of these projects that have been established, admitted as ghost projects. Bakit hindi kayo makapagsalita, makapag-report? Ghost pala. Bakit lumusot sa inyo?
Sir, sa ngayon po, sir, since we are still consolidating and gathering data from our regional and district auditors.
Alam niyo yung problema, you have a very standard way of answering us.
Yes,
eh.
sir.
You are still waiting for your regional offices. Alam niyo yung problema ninyo, Madam Coa? Kasi puro kayo post-audit eh. Mag-audit kayo pag tapos na yung project. Like what happened in Misamis Occidental. I ask your regional, anong tawag niyo ron?
Director po, sir.
Regional Director ng COA. I ask him, there is a very irregular project being constructed in Misamis Occidental in Barangay Lamaan. This is a